So in this problem we have to find integral solution. So the equation is 2 raised to the power a plus 4 raised to the power b is equals to 96, and a and b belongs to integer. Then we have to find value of a and b. So how will you solve this problem? If you see, a general method can be taking log and then solving, but that will basically does not give the integral solution. So let us try to see what I want to say. I can write this expression as 4 raised to the power b is equals to 96 minus 2 raised to the power a. Now I can take log both sides. So this will be log 4 raised to the power b is equals to log of 96 minus 2 raised to the power a. From here I can say that b is equals to b times log 4. I can take b because b is in the power. So b log 4 is equals to log 96 minus 2 raised to the power a. So here I have used the result, that is log a raised to the power m is equals to m log a. Now I can basically solve for b. So I can solve for b. b will be log of 96 minus 2 raised to the power a divided by log of 4. Now see, if I put the value of a, I will get the value of b. So there are infinite solutions in this case. So if I take any value of a, I can get the value of b. So in this case there are infinite solutions. Infinite solution. But those solutions will not be integral, because a can be fraction or a can be any number. It can be integer also. But we are only looking for integral solutions. So let us try to see how we can approach this problem if I want to look for only integral solutions. So the b have, that is 2 raised to the power a plus 4 raised to the power b is equals to 96. Now 2 raised to the power a and 4 I can write to a square and then raised to the power b, which is equals to 96. So this will be 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 96. So here I am using the result, that is, if you have x raised to the power m and then raised to the power, or let us say put this is a raised to the power m raised to the power n, then I can simply write a raised to the power m times n. And that's why 2 and b is basically in this case m and n, then I have simply multiplied. Now let us look this expression closely. So we have in this case 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 96. Now we have sum of two numbers is equals to 96, and both numbers are 2 raised to the power something. So what are the possible combination we have? So we need to have two numbers, because this is sum of two numbers, and both numbers should be power of 2. So let us try to see what are the possibility we have. So we can have one possibility is 2, then another number we will have. So let us say how many ways I can get 96. Let us take different powers of 2. So 2 raised to the power 1, then this will be, so 2 plus 94 is equals to 96, one possibility. Then you can have 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4. 4 plus 92 is equals to 96. 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8. 8 plus 88 is equals to 96. So we are considering the first term as 2 raised to the power. So this is 2 raised to the power 1, this is 2 raised to the power 2, this is 2 raised to the power 3. Now we will have 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16. And then 16 plus, you will have 76, that will give 96. (16 plus 80), that will give 96. Now we will have 2 raised to the power 5, that is 32. So 32 plus, and then you will have 64, that will give me 96. Now if you go further, then you are simply repeating. So this is 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power, this is 2 raised to the power 1, so this is 2 raised to the power 1, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. And then if you go further, let us say 6. So 2 raised to the power 6 will be 64, and then this will be 32, that is 96, and 2 raised to the power 7, that is 128, so there is no point. So now these numbers are greater than 96, so these are the only possibility we have. Now we need to have both numbers as 2 raised to the power. But now which numbers are not? So in this case 94 is not a raised to 2 raised to the power something. We cannot write 94 is equals to 2 raised to the power some number. We cannot write. So this means this solution is ruled out. This solution is also ruled out because we cannot write 92 as 2 raised to the power, 88 we cannot write, 80 we cannot write. So we have only these two possibilities, that is 32 and 64. So now let us consider these two cases. So first case, that is when 2 raised to the power a is equals to 32 and 2 raised to the power 2b, that is equals to 64. Because in this case you see this number 2 raised to the power a is equals to 32 and 64 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2b. So now you can say a is equals to, so 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. So a is equals to 5. And from here 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 64 is 2 raised to the power 6. So b is equals to 3. So in this case solution is basically 5 and 3. Now let us say case 2. So what we have in case 2, that is this situation. 2 raised to the power a is equals to 64 and 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 32. So if I have that, that is 2 raised to the power a is equals to 64 and 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 32. So this means 2 raised to the power a is equals to 2 raised to the power 5. In this case basically 6. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So a is equals to 6. So in this case a is equals to 6. Now 2 raised to the power 2b is equals to 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. So from here 2b is equals to 5. So this means b is equals to 5 by 2. But b is equals to 5 by 2 is not a possible solution because it is said that a and b both are integral solution. So only possibility is this one, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3. So this is a possible solution we have, that is this solution. So now let us check, we can verify whether this satisfies the original equation or not. So that is original equation was, that is 2 raised to the power a plus 4 raised to the power b is equals to 96. So let us check. So 2 raised to the power 5 plus 4 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and plus 4 raised to the power 3, 4 times 4 times 4. So this will be 2 4 ja 8, 8 16 and then 32. So this is 32 plus 64, which is equals to 96. And that is what we have right hand side. So basically this solution satisfies the original equation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.